space station dream, and I want you to be.
Hello friends, I am Smita. I am again with my new video, and my new video is about kite train. Let's explore the beautiful kites. Hey guys, are you ready for the ride of kite train? Let's go for beautiful ride. Sometimes when we look at the sky, we can see beautiful and colorful kites. Kites is free bird. Feel proud to fly in the sky. Kites are the man-made beautiful art that look like real and energetic. Is something come in your mind? Who is the father of the kite? The kite was invented by the Chinese philosopher Mo Jian Lu Ban by 549 AD for the purpose of rescue as a message mission. Let's explore some more facts about the kite. A kite is a flying object that is attached to the ground by a rope or ropes. Kites can be flown for fun or in the competitions. In India, people fly kite on Makar Sankranti. Kites are part of our life. India is famous for kite flying. Kite is the part of the colorful culture of any country. So let's explore beautiful culture. One question come in my mind, which material is used to make kites, and in the past which material was used to make kite. So let's ride the train. In the past, kite had made of paper or light fabrics such as silk. The poles are made up of bamboo, stick or other strong but flexible woods. The kite line was made from string or twine. Let's explore modern kites. Modern kites are made from synthetic material such as rep, stop, nylon or more exotic fabrics. On the sails, they have fiberglass or carbon fiber poles and use Dacron or dynamic for the kite lines. There are many types of different kites about which we are unknown. Different shapes, different size, attract millions of humans to fly with heart. Kites are the passion. Somewhere it is the game, somewhere reason of celebration, somewhere purpose to keep eye on enemy, somewhere way of advertisement. So kite is having a many purposes. Kite is beautiful non-living creature but looks like living object, is having different use. Have a look on some different type of beautiful colors of kite. If I will ask, do you know delta kites? You will say yes. Delta kites are very common everywhere. It is the part of our day-to-day life. Delta kites are shaped like a triangle with a nail holding the spine straight and rigid, while a spirander help maintain its triangular shape. Sometimes have tail attached to the center or at the wing. Delta kite is made up of rip-stop nylon and spinker fibers. Kite for which I am also curious to know about is diamond kites. Diamond kite shines like diamond and popular kite. Kite are shaped like a diamond that is mostly perfect for kids and beginners. Diamond kite are made up of paper or ripstop nylon. The other different kite is parafoil kite. Parafoil kite are different than above two kites. They do not have a frame. Parafoil kites are made up of rip cotton, nylon or premium polyester. I love to see different shapes of kites on the sky. Cellular kite is one of them. If you see different shape in the sky, you should have to understand it is cellular kites. Box kite, Cody kite with a full box with upturned wings. Triangular in shape and having wings. Stars, snowflakes. It requires high wind to fly. It is made up of ripstop nylon and Other different kites are Ruckus kite. Ruckus kite are six-sided fighter kite, which originated in Japan. Ruckus kite is made up of washing paper, bamboo spear. All over the world, people use kites for competition too. So, stunt kite is one of the kite that is used for competition. Stunt kites are used basically for the game purpose. They came in wide variety of shapes. Most stunt kites have dual line controls, which make it easier to control. If we talk about very big kites, transaction kite is one of the big example. Now, very important kite. The purpose of these kites are investigation. So, we are talking about military kites. World War First created a participle use for tons of man lifting kite. The British, French, Italian and Russian armies all had kite unit for enemy observation and single crops. Do you know who is invented aeroplane? Aeroplane is also one of the kite. Aeroplane is invented by Wright brother. Developed first manned aeroplane in 1903. Same like that, in 1822, Garage, a UK schoolmaster, created a carriage pulled by a pair of arc-top kites. Last but not least fact, kite is the part of the celebration of festivals. Kite is the reason of celebration not only in India but in all over the world. So let's ride the train to know about the different festival of different countries. Let's start from India. In India, Makar Sankranti is celebrated in India, Gujarat. That is very famous and kite is having the most important place in Makar Sankranti. Hey friends, my kite train is at our last station, that is a station of festival. So let's begin the ride. So here journey of my kite train have been ended. I hope the journey of my kite train was beautiful and very entertaining. I have taken all the facts related. Hey guys, if you have any suggestions, so please drop on comment box. I will again come with my new and creative video. Till then, and do not forget to subscribe Earth Culture and Color for more beautiful videos.